Hey kids, Mr. Hanner, Mr. Shanahan here for the start of our badminton unit. It's one of our best units we have. We have our student teachers here, Mr. Nardelli, Miss Ott, so it's one of our better units we do here. Today we're going to talk, Mr. Hanner's going to talk to you about racket safety, and I'm going to talk about racket cleaning of the rackets.
All right, racket safety, racket etiquette, badminton etiquette. First of all, when we get in the gym, the nets are going to be up. We never go over the nets. We always walk around the nets, okay? The rackets, the birdies, all right? We're never slamming them on the ground. We're not playing patty cake, high-fiving with the rackets, okay? We only hold them on the handle, okay? We will pass them out to you. The birdies we're going to be obviously using and playing traditional badminton, okay? So when we are playing, we're playing safely. We're communicating with our partner, all right? And if there's a ball that's going to be, we're going to be playing singles, okay? So we're going to have the whole court to ourselves, and we're going to go over the court boundaries in a minute here. Coach?
After we're done, obviously we're in a pandemic here, so sharing of rackets is something we definitely have to worry about. So what we ask every one of our students to do is to wipe the handle down, to wipe the shaft down, making sure you're providing, safety for the next person. When you're done, you put it away in the proper, you just don't throw it in there. Every other racket goes in like so. So these are some of the precautions we're taking for our safety measures for you, okay? Bonus question today. Last night was Monday Night Football. The Jets played New England, and the Jets lost in the last second field goal. And that was a good thing, because now maybe we have a chance for Trevor Lawrence at quarterback. So that's part of your bonus question. Our student teachers, Amanda King and John Leosa, is up next.
Hi everyone at home, Miss King here and Mr. L. We're going to cover the rules and boundary lines for badminton tournament this week. So, games are played to 21 points. We're going to be playing singles tournament due to COVID and the pandemic. When we serve, we're going to serve diagonally across, just like how we did in tennis. So if we serve on the right service box here, we're going to serve opposite diagonal. Where I serve depends on my score. So if I have an even number of points, 0, including 0-2, I'm going to start on the right service box. If I have an odd number of points, I will be serving from the left service box from the short service line. Serves always must be diagonal, whichever box you're in, and that's it for rules. Mr. L is going to cover the lines.
So, since we are doing a singles tournament, the boundaries are going to be a little different. So, our singles lines are narrow and long. Our doubles lines are wide and short. So, once again, singles lines, the sideline is the narrow line, and the long line, doubles, is the wide and the short. So, our short service line, we need to be behind the short service line when we're serving. That is in between the service lines, there's the net, and then there's the long service line. That's at the back of the court. Midline, center line, divides the court into service boxes, so you know which box you're serving into. For next week, we are going to be going over a couple serves and shots. We're going to be covering the underhand serve, backhand serve, forehand, backhand, and the drive and drop. And that's all we got for you this week. So, see you next week.